And how's it going, guys? Take here, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing an unboxing of this Astro 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now this power bank was given to me a few days ago, and I was really excited to show you guys because this one is amazing. Now, for those of you that don't know, I had a power bank before, and that power bank actually, the battery inside swelled up and then it stopped working, so I needed to get a new power bank, and now I've got one. And today is just an unboxing. A full review will come in the later weeks to show you how this power bank actually works, even though I can't compare it to my old one because my old one no longer works. But it'll be nice to put them side by side in a later video to see how they work. But basically, how you open this now is, this is the packaging. You've got the Astro over there. This model is the A323 model with 10,000 milliamp hours up to 37, so you can take it on flights and stuff like that. So this one is in a black variant. It charges in 2 amps for the micro, 2 amps for the USB type C, and 2 amps for the other micro port as well, 2.4 amps. You can choose whichever one you want based on the device you have, whether you have USB type C or you have the normal USB type micro USB. And if we go to the side here, you've got 100% safety guarantee and the Astro logo again. You go to the side, this side you've got your flying sticker and some of that over there and there, and then at the back some instructions to show you how you can pause this if you want to read that. Basically it's the same thing as the front, just more information for you guys to read over there. But what we are interested in is the unboxing. So now because now it's got a little bit of a magnet, which is something that I like. It feels like it has a bit of quality with it. So it's just not unboxing something that is quite cheap. So basically now, as you can see here, we've opened it. You open it here from the top. I don't know if you guys can see it. You put your finger in there, you open it, and then you twist it again, and then you can slide. Now at first you get the USB cable to charge it. I don't really use this cable because I've got many cables like this for my old phone, so I use the longer ones of these, and they charge this thing quite well. And here's the man of the moment. As you can see, it's very durable. It's got some heft to it. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Some writing here at the back, more of the same thing. The model number, the capacity, and the charging speed for all these ports. And here, as you can see, here's your ports, your normal USB, your USB type C, and then your normal USB again. And you've got your charging port where you charge it, and nothing here at the bottom, just these lines, the Astro name again here on the side. And here you've got the power button. When you click on it, right now it's got a full battery because I've charged it for some time. I will give you the charging stats in the full review, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, basically this is a quick video of this unboxing of this Astro power bank. It's a little bit of an upgrade from the one that I had. I would have loved at least a 12 or 20 milliamp hour one, because that would be double the one that I first had. But yeah, man, and I've got this one and it works pretty well so far. I'll come out with a full review in the next couple of days. And leave me your questions. What do you think about it? What do you want to know? Do you want to buy it? If you want to buy it, let me know, and I'll share some tips on how you can use it, and how long it lasts. Anyway, this has been Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.